Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I Nathan is going to show you a Python tutorial on comments and data typing. So let us begin. So first what we are going to do is on comments. Comments Python comments. Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Creating a comments start with a hashtag and Python will ignore them. Comments can be placed at the end of a line and Python will ignore the rest of the line. Comments does not have to be text to explain the code. It can be also used to prevent Python from executing code. Multi-line comments. Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-line comments, you could insert a hashtag for each line, or not quite as intended, you can use a multi-line string. Since Python will ignore string letters that are not assigned to a variable, you can add a multi-line string, triple quotes in your code. Place your comment inside it. As long as the Python string is not assigned to a variable, Python will read the code but then ignore it. Then you have made a multi-line comment. So let's try this in Jupyter Notebook. So what we are going to do is we are going to take a new Python 3. Next, what they said is a comment. So if we say x is equal to 456 and we put enter hashtag hello, and then we tell it to print x. Now we tell it to run it. So now what we are going to do is run. As you see, it has ignored the hello because of the hashtag. Now we are going to see multi-line comments. So I'm going to put hashtag we're going to put a hashtag shift enter shift. Now we are going to, in these three, we are going to put some random text, and now what we're going to do is put backspace because there is no hashtag over there. So now what we are going to do is in front of each hashtag we're going to put a random text that, and let's see. Now we are going to put print, we are going to tell it to print. We're going to tell it to print 5. Now we're going to run it, and as you have seen, it has printed 5, but it has ignored all of that because of, and it's a multi-line comment. Another way of putting multi-line comment is, now we're gonna, what we are gonna do, and put delete. Next we are gonna again, now we are gonna write some text in this. Now we are gonna again put shift delete. Now we are gonna press enter and tell it to print 1386 356. Now if we run the code, it will print 356, but it will ignore this text that we have written. Next, what we are going to learn is data types. Data types in programming. Data type is an important concept. Data type is basically segregating data into its type, like string, int, float, complex, list, tuple, range, dictionary, set, frozen set, bool, bytes, byte array, memory view. Getting the data type, you can get the data of any object by using the type function. So these are the examples of each data type. 20 is an integer, 20.5 is a float, 1j is a complex, apple, banana, cherry is a list, apple, banana, cherry is a tuple, 6 is a range, John, age is a dictionary, apple, banana, cherry is a set, apple, banana, cherry is a frozen set too, 5 is a bool, 5 is a byte, and byte 5 is also a byte array. Byte 5 is a memory view. Next, what we are going to do is find out data types of a variable in Jupyter Notebook. For example, I type x is equal to red. We are going to put colons for that. Now we are going to tell it enter. Now we are going to tell it to print type x. Now we're going to run the code. It has given as a string. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.